Picture this: a senior, effortlessly standing up from a chair, no longer struggling to tie their shoes. A pregnant woman, radiating energy, moving gracefully, embracing her body's changes. And someone with chronic pain, pushing through discomfort, growing stronger with every step. What if I told you that all of this is possible with the right fitness approach? Welcome to a world where fitness is tailored to your needs, your journey. Today, we're diving into fitness for specific populations, those who need it the most. I'm about to take you on a journey of strength, hope, and transformation. So sit back, breathe, and let's get started. Imagine a day where getting out of your chair feels effortless. For many seniors, this is a daily challenge. But what if the answer lies in something as simple as a chair squat? With just a few simple exercises, we can reclaim strength, balance, and confidence. Chair squats, seated leg extensions, and wall push ups are more than just exercises. They're gateways to a life where age is just a number. Slow and steady is the key. No rush, just progress. Always listen to your body, and when in doubt, consult a doctor. The road to a stronger you starts with a single step, literally. Now, let's imagine another journey, one of creation, of nurturing. A woman, in the prime of her pregnancy, feeling every twist and turn of life inside her. But how can fitness help during such a delicate time? Pregnancy isn't a time to slow down, but rather a time to embrace the strength of your body. Pelvic tilts, prenatal yoga, and simple walks, they're not just exercises, they're your body's way of adapting to the incredible transformation it's undergoing. Remember, pregnancy is not a race. Always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, stop. Consult your healthcare provider. And above all, celebrate every step of this miraculous journey. Now, imagine the daily battle of living with a chronic condition. A life filled with limitations, where even the smallest movement can feel like a victory. But what if we could change that? For those with chronic conditions, fitness is not just about strength, it's about resilience. Walking, swimming, light strength training, they're the key to unlocking a new life, one where you're in control of your body, not the condition. Start slow, don't push through pain, but challenge yourself every day. Progress may be slow, but with consistency, you'll see the power of the body's ability to adapt and heal. Fitness isn't just about looking good or getting fit. It's about feeling good, feeling empowered, and knowing that no matter where you are in life, you can take control of your health. Whether you're a senior, a pregnant woman, or living with a chronic condition, there's always a way to move, grow, and thrive. You have your own story, your own journey, and today we've just started writing it together. So, are you ready to start your fitness journey? Comment below and let me know what's holding you back or what you've already accomplished. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more personalized fitness advice. Together, we'll keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next video.